Hey guys, what's up? So I've decided it's time for an oil change on this 8N Ford tractor. But before I get it done, I need to disconnect the brush beater off of it. I want to take it outside and put it outside. It doesn't need to sit inside. The last video I did with this tractor was pretty much the last time I've even started it. I've used it a couple times to brush beat here and there, but I haven't used it very much. Had the battery charger on it for 2 days now, 3 days now. So we'll go ahead and take the battery charger off and we'll crank it up, see if it starts. Okay, got the battery charger off. Then we'll come down here, turn the fuel on. Oh, it's a little stiff. There, we got the fuel turning on. See if she's in neutral. Okay, get up here. Oh, it's in neutral. Key on. Down here's how you start an 8N. Clutch is in, and well, let's try that again. Might need a little choke. Let's see if I can do all this at once. Well, let me just set you guys down real quick, and I can do it all at once. There we go. Let off the clutch. Being that we're doing an oil change on it, I'm going to want it to warm up a little bit anyways. We're just going to go over this complete machine, grease it, and make sure she's good to go for whenever I do need it. So let's let it warm up and then we'll go disconnect this brush beater. Okay, got the battery charger off, and we'll come down here, turn the fuel on. It's a little stiff. There, we got the fuel turning on. See if she's in neutral. Okay. Get up here, neutral, key on. Down here's how you start an 8N. Clutch is in, and well, let's try that again. Might need a little choke. Let's see if I can do all this at once. Well, let me just set you guys down real quick. I can do it all at once. There we go. Being that we're doing an oil change on it, temperature to it now. Got to engage the 3-point. Then we'll come over here, lift this up. Blade will start spinning and it'll raise. There we go. Disconnect that. Here we go. Down here you can set the brake for the tractor. Take it out of neutral. Go ahead and set it down. So let me get this disconnected and we'll be back. Now that we have the brush beater off of it, we can come over here and get our drain pan that's full of water. Oh, throw it under the tractor. Gonna need a big crescent wrench and pull the plug. Okay, we have the plug loosened. Let's go ahead and pull that sucker. We're just going to let it drain like that. Okay, we'll let that drip for a little while. We'll come over here and we'll get a wrench and pull. I think this is a remote oil filter. And so we'll get that pulled off next. And so let me go get a wrench. And it is a 7/8. That oil don't look bad, but this tractor sits more than it's rode. Like most of my equipment, it just sits an awful lot. Okay, there's the bolt. Pulled out. Oh, it was a little bit stuck on there. There's the old gasket. Ooh. A little ring came out. Well, ain't that a predicament? Okay, the filter is hitting on the fuel bowl. So I think I can pull these 2 bolts and get it out. But before I do that, I'd like to see if there's a number on it. It's a P40, Baldwin P40. Ooh. So let me get that removed. Okay, I got it out. I'm gonna let that sit there and drip for a while. I've had a cold and I'm just not feeling real great. So I'm gonna go sit inside for a little bit and maybe we'll finish this up tomorrow. So we'll see how I feel here in a little bit. So we'll go inside for a little bit and we'll talk to you guys here in a minute. Okay, we got a 51010 oil filter. We'll get it put in. I've got to get this thing finished up. I'm just not feeling too well. So we'll get it all patched back together real quick. So let's get the oil filter installed. Okay, the oil filter is back in. Now we will spend a minute, clean up the screen a little bit and throw him back in. Then we can fill it with oil and be done for the day. Okay, the drain plug's back in. Let's add oil and be done. Oil's running a little thick this morning. Okay, there's 5 quarts in there. Oh, still needs 1 more quart. Good thing I just happen to have one. Take 6 quarts of conventional motor oil. I probably could have used synthetic, but I decided not to. So let's get that back in. Turn the fuel on. Looks like my fuel bowl has a slight leak to it. We'll see if we can't fix that in a later video. Let's get a cold start, see if it starts. If it starts, good. If not, then we got problems. So let's get going. It's in neutral, ignition on, move our wrenches. Excuse me. Choke and says it has oil pressure. Just a real sweet little tractor. Still got to find a little jar. I might have one. I'll have to go look real quick. And I want to redo the oil bath in it too. So that's what we'll work on next. Finding a jar, doing an oil bath, cleaning. So let's go find a jar real quick. Well, with a little finagling and a little bit of time, we got us a mason jar put on there. We'll clean up this oil bath and we'll call that a wrap. I got a go get some cleaning supplies, but we got to do that, and then we'll wash the whole tractor off and make it look real pretty again. So thank you guys for watching. This is John. We'll talk to you guys next time.